Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I am Teacher Rohaimah H. Gandamra from Marawi Central Elementary Pilot School, Central District, Marawi City Division. Welcome to our Grade 5 English virtual class. Last time, you learned about compound words. Compound words are two or more words combined together to form a new word with a new meaning. There are three forms of compound words: open compound words, closed compound words, hyphenated compound words. Aside from compound words, you have also learned that we use context clues to get the meaning of unfamiliar words. Context clues are hints to help define a difficult or unfamiliar word. Today, we are going to infer the meaning of unfamiliar words using text or context clues, synonyms, antonyms, and homonyms. How are you today, Grade 5 learners? Are you ready to learn and explore English further today? Join me, brace yourselves, and prepare your PPS, your pen or pencil, your paper, and of course, your self-learning module. List down at least two pairs of words with the same meaning and another two pairs of words with opposite meaning. Look at the given example on the table, and I will give you 30 seconds to write down your answers on your pad paper. Pupils for trying the best. Here are other examples. For words with the same meaning, we have stone and rock. We also have big and large. These words are examples of synonyms. Again, synonyms are words with the same meaning. For words with opposite meaning, we have fat, slim. We also have big, small. These words are examples of antonyms. How about homonyms? Homonyms can be words that are the same, meaning they have the same spelling and they have the same sound. Examples are ruler, ruler. Another examples are meal, meal. Homonyms may also have different or same spelling with same pronunciation but different meanings and origins, such as fair, fair, higher, higher. Here are other examples. Homonyms can refer to both homophones and homographs. Homophones are words with the same sound, while homographs are words spelled the same but have different meaning. Examples: week, week, men, men, break, break, see, see, address, address, ring, ring, match, match, right, right. Moving on, let us now analyze and read the story. While reading, Take note of the underlined and unfamiliar words in the story. Let us read the story together. Last year, the Girl Scouts in our district celebrated their anniversary with a journey. The purpose of this trip was to explore or check the virgin forests of Palawan. Since the forests of Palawan have not yet been touched by loggers, many of the Girl Scouts who went were independent girls and did not need help in doing basic things like cooking and hiking. Learning the meaning of cooperation helped to make their trip a success. By working together well, most of them learned much and enjoyed the trip. They learned the value of preserving or taking good care of our forests to avoid floods and soil erosion. Let us go back on the story and analyze the underlined unfamiliar words. Find the meaning of the underlined words in the story. You can find it within the sentence or the next sentence after the underlined word. I will give you 30 seconds to write down your answers on your pad paper. Let us now check your answers. Journey means trip. Explore is synonymous to check. Independent means did not need help. Cooperation means working together well, while preserving means taking good care. Well done, pupils! This time, let us dig in further and find the meaning of the underlined words in the following sentences. Choose and write the letter of your answer on your pad paper. Here is the example. The Girl Scouts in our district celebrated their anniversary with a journey. The underlined word journey means letter A. The Girl Scouts made a trip to celebrate their anniversary. Or letter B, the Girl Scouts made the celebration memorable. In this example, the correct answer is letter A. Now, it's your turn to answer. Number 1. The poor children are now fatherless. The underlined word fatherless means letter A, the children have no father anymore. Letter B, the children's father has less work. Number 2. Many insects are harmful to plants. Harmful means, letter A, many insects can do much harm to plants. Letter B, many insects do not do any harm to plants. Number 3. Some people find enjoyment in watching movies after a hard day work. Enjoyment means, letter A, some people do enjoy in watching movies after a hard day work. Or letter B, some people do not enjoy in watching movies after a hard day work. It's checking time! For number 1, the meaning of fatherless is letter A. For number 2, the correct answer is letter A. For number 3, the correct answer is letter A. That's it, smart pupils! Now, are you ready for our assessment? In this activity, Use context clues to help you decide which word to use. Choose from the words in the parentheses. Write all your answers on your paper. Number 1. In the Sinai Desert, there is a mountain with very fine grains of sand. They say that when the sand slides, it produces a blank sound that is very nice to hear. The words in the parentheses are musical, mechanical, comical. Number 2. Hafsa announced that Jamil won the grand prize. He became blank for a while and wouldn't say a word. The choices are noisy, speechless, disturbed. Number 3. Don't throw old tires. Some people try to blank them and earn a lot from them. The choices in the parentheses are reduce, recycle, return. Number 4. What is the name of the main street near your house? Last number. Dad and I need to tighten the blank brake on my bike. Let us check your answers. For number 1, the clue word is the word very nice to hear, which means the sound is musical. For number 2, the clue word is wouldn't say a word, meaning the answer is speechless. For number 3, the clue word is earn a lot. How can you earn from old things? Of course, it is through recycling. In number 4, we have homonyms or homophones, and the correct answer here is main. Again, for number 5, we have homonyms. And the correct answer here is break.
Great job, pupils! I am so happy you got all the correct answers in our activity. For today's lesson, remember that
context clue hints the parts of the sentence or paragraph that comes before or after the unfamiliar word. Synonyms are words that are similar or have a related meaning to another word. It is the most basic and helpful type of context clues. If the word is unfamiliar, adding synonyms or words with similar meanings is a surefire way to point to a word's meaning. Antonyms are words with opposite meanings. An opposite meaning context clue contrasts the meaning of an unfamiliar word with the meaning of a familiar term. Homonyms are words having different spelling or same spelling with the same pronunciation but different meanings and origins.
congratulations, pupils! You have learned how to infer the meaning of unfamiliar words using synonyms, antonyms, and homonyms. That's all for today. And again, I am Teacher Rohaimah saying that learning English is fun.